What's up guys? In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to force restart your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Now let's say you have a frozen phone or it's stuck somewhere and there's nothing you can do and you can't even restart it normally, then how do you force a restart of this phone? So what you want to do is press and hold the power plus volume down, and you want to hold these two buttons until you see the Samsung logo appears in a restart. So press and hold power plus volume down, press and hold, keep holding, just keep holding and don't release. Keep holding, just keep holding and wait for that Samsung logo. There you go. So there's the Samsung logo and the phone will now restart. It's as simple as that. That's how to force a restart of your Galaxy Z Flip 4. Thanks for watching and good luck.